A sneak peek into our 30-hour online course. Core Modules Exploration, TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn. Whether you're new to Python or need a refresher, our course ensures you're equipped with the fundamental programming skills necessary to excel in AI. With clear explanations and hands-on exercises, you'll be ready to tackle concepts with ease. Explore the dynamics of supervised and unsupervised learning in AI. Learn how algorithms respond to specific prompts in structured environments and autonomously generate insights in unsupervised scenarios. Witness AI's adaptive capabilities in action as it navigates diverse learning paradigms. Hands-on projects, bringing theory to life. Theory meets practice in our hands-on projects designed to solidify your understanding and skills. From building neural networks to fine-tuning models, you'll apply concepts directly, gaining invaluable experience and confidence in your AI journey. Embark on this transformative learning experience of AI with Python. Enroll now to secure your spot.